everybody, it's Becky from Icing on Top Becky's Cakes, and today I'm going to show you how to make this edible moss to put on cakes using one container and putting it in the microwave. Super easy. Now in previous tutorials I've already showed you how to do the buttercream and put it on the cake and make it look like that tree stump look, which is really simple too. So I'm going to put that link down below, and in previous tutorials I've also covered those acrylic cake tiers here, and those are a lot of fun to use, and again I'll put that link down below. But today we're covering the edible moss, and so let's begin. This is really super easy. It adds some great texture to your cake, and it's really light, so you can just like stick it on your cake with a little bit of buttercream or something, but it's got all this really cool texture, and it's really easy to use, really simple to make, and it's nice to have something on your cake that has a lot of texture because, again, especially if you're making some kind of woodland themed cake, that texture is awesome. I'm going to start by adding 1 egg and stick it right into my microwave safe dish, and I'm just gonna whisk that egg first, and then 1.5 tablespoons of corn syrup, and I'm just gonna whisk that in there. And once that is whisked in well, I'm going to go ahead and add my gel food coloring. This is AmeriColor that I'm using, and I think this one was Laurel Green, but they have a lot of different kinds of greens, so depending on what shade you want, just whisk that in, but I really like this one. And yeah, so that's all our liquids there, and then I'm going to go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. And then once that is mixed in, we'll do 1 teaspoon baking powder, and I'm just going to sift that, and then 1/3 cup of flour, and sift that right into the same dish, and then I'm just going to whisk it all together. See how simple that is. That's why I love making edible moss, because it's just so easy. And that's it. It is all there. We're going to microwave it for 2 minutes, and then we're going to let that completely cool before we put it on our cake. And then, yeah, we're just going to pull it apart and take off whatever pieces you like, and just place it on the cake using a little bit of buttercream or whatever you usually use, or ganache or something. Just, it's so light that it really anything can help stick that to your cake. And just place it strategically on your cake, and there you go, edible moss. And super easy, super quick, and it really adds great texture to the cake. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please subscribe to my channel for other fun tutorials, and also check those links down below. These butterflies were wafer paper butterflies. I'll also put that link down below. I bought them on Amazon, so, or you can make them yourself.